Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up the voicemail on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. The first thing that you can do is open the phone app, and then you want to use the dial pad, and you want to press and hold 1 in order to call your carrier's voicemail. Then you will need to follow the instructions that you will hear throughout through the call in order to set up the voicemail. Now, another thing that you might need to do, if that doesn't work for you, the holding and pressing 1, you can go to the top right corner and tap on these 3 dots, and then you want to go to the settings, and then in the settings you want to go to voicemail. If you have more than one SIM card, then you will need to choose your SIM card. I'm gonna choose now advanced settings, so once you choose your SIM card, choose advanced settings, and then over here you can enter the voicemail number. Now, in order to find out which number you need to use actually, you will need to pretty much find out by either contacting your carrier or simply trying to Google that on the internet. And that's pretty much it. And once you enter the voicemail number, you can go back and dial the voicemail by pressing and holding 1. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.